Down News Dictation 63 New Para. Like his life, Yahya Sinwar's death was an act of resistance against seemingly unsurmountable odds. Full stop. Born in 1962 in a refugee camp in Khan Yunis, to which his family had fled after being forced from their home amidst the murders and the Nakba, he joined Hamas soon after its formation in 1987 and rose to lead its internal security wing. Full stop. It was a position in which he excelled, rooting out spies and collaborators, whom he disposed of with often brutal efficiency. Full stop. It is perhaps a testament to the efficacy of the systems he set by that, despite the devastation of Gaza and the desperation of its people, Israel was unable to uncover any meaningful intelligence on his movements or the movements of any other prominent Hamas leader in the Gaza Strip for an entire year. Full stop. New Para. When they did kill him, it was, as per Israel's own account, quite by chance. Full stop. Arrested in 1982 and then in 1988, he was to spend 23 years in an Israeli jail before being released, along with 1,046 other Palestinian detainees detainees in exchange for the freedom of Israeli soldier. Full stop. It was likely that this experience provided at least part of the motivation for launching the October 7 attacks, in which some 250 Israelis were taken captive and moved to Gaza. Full stop. Prison also served as a training ground, Years later, he would remark to his supporters, they wanted prison to be a grave for us, a mill to grind our will, determination, and bodies. We turned the prison into sanctuaries of worship and academies for study. Full stop. New Para. It was no idle boost, He spent his term studying a language he became fluent in, and also studying how Israeli security forces, and in particular the notorious internal security wing, worked. Full stop. It was knowledge he was to put to deadly effect. Full stop. On Israel's hit list for years, he remained in the Gaza Strip, cementing his status as a fighter who remains with his people by posing in an armchair amidst the rubble of his house, which had been bombed in an attempt to assassinate him. Full stop. Ironically, the video of his last moments also shows him sitting in an armchair, full stop, having engaged with or been engaged by Israeli forces while moving above ground. He and his 3 bodyguards hold out in a building as Israeli forces approached. Full stop. The end.